This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber replacement. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the center rear differential and raise the vehicle. Support the vehicle with jack stands placed at the notched reinforced area of the rocker panel seam on each side. Remove the rear wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Support the rear suspension arm with a floor jack. Raise the jack slightly to take the spring pressure off the shock absorber lower mount. The jack must remain in this position throughout the procedure. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt. Use a soft face hammer or mallet to tap out the mounting bolt. The jack can also be raised or lowered slightly to allow the bolt to be removed more easily. Remove the upper mounting bolts. Using a small pry bar, pry the shock absorber upper end down until it can clear the body, then remove the shock absorber from the vehicle. With the shock absorber assembly off the vehicle, remove the rear shock absorber upper bracket mounting nut. Take note of the alignment mark. The bracket must be transferred to the new shock in the same orientation. A pair of locking pliers can be used to hold the stud in place. Separate the mounting bracket, dust cover, and inner damper from the shock absorber. Install the rubber damper, dust cover, and mounting bracket onto the new shock absorber, making sure the alignment marks are in the correct position. Tighten the shock absorber assembly upper bracket nut while counter-holding the shaft. Tighten the rear shock absorber upper bracket retaining nut to the specified torque setting. Install the shock absorber assembly onto the rear control arm. Using a small pry bar or screwdriver between the body and the shock bracket, compress the shock absorber assembly down until the top of the shock can be inserted into the hole in the body. Install the rear shock absorber upper mounting bolts. Tighten the rear shock absorber upper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt, screwing them into place. Raise the control arm with the floor jack to simulate ride height. While counter-holding the bolt with another wrench, tighten the rear shock absorber lower mounting bolt and nut to the specified torque setting. Lower and remove the floor jack. Repeat this procedure for the rear shock absorber on the opposite side. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts by hand, then tighten them securely. Place the floor jack under the rear differential, raise the vehicle, and remove the jack stands, then lower the rear of the vehicle to the ground. Tighten lug nuts to the specified torque setting.